I remember him when he played for Portland.
Portland and Charlotte. And that's a beautiful tic-tac-toe. Kevin was waiting for Looney. Knox ricocheted to Steph. He reloads from the corner and drops in the three.
What great hands.
Rimming it out. Draymond and Looney fighting. Clay on the reload and drops in the three.
Made him change it.
AD waiting for the trailer. Clay out of the corner. How pretty was that?
You can't defend all of that.
Looney knew it. Oh, Curry! The delivery to Looney!
Physicality defensively, the ball movement, keeping balls alive. And right now they are putting on
Are you
a
kidding
show.
me? He kind of got lost a little bit in Washington. But
There you go. There you go.
Sorry to cut you off.
There you go. No. That's
cut me off.
Clay Thompson missed that to the left. Lonzo McKinney, that's what he does. Offensive rebounds. Clay, time to seam it up. And McKinney is there again. Steph speed dribbling all the way to the rim to lay it up and out. But Jerebko is there.
Curry wanted to foul, but you know what? That's confidence.
Looney. Steph doing all the damage and finding Kavan, and the Knicks have to take time. At 19 years old.
Yeah, he doesn't know how to play yet.
And Klay Thompson, let's make it 17 to 32.
Opened up the doors to Fort Knox.
Okay. Klay Thompson. Draymond saved a turnover, and then the lob. Iguodala's legs are back. Klay one more time, why not? And Curry will misfire. Kept it alive. Klay in the corner. We've seen it before.
You know what I'm saying? You knew it was him.